Hi there, and welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for expert automotive display repairs, servicing and parts. Today, we will be presenting the spare parts full display and touchscreen for the Vauxhall Grandland X IntelliLink Navi 900 Sat Nav computer display. Now, this particular display is known to develop a few common issues over time. Things like a touchscreen that's unresponsive or really slow, black spots or marks showing up across the screen, delamination or bubbling of the display screen, discoloration, scratches or even cracks, a screen that turns fully black or white, or parts of the display that just go missing altogether. Here's a quick look at a faulty display. In this case, the touchscreen is intermittent or not working at all. We only supply genuine factory-authorized parts, sourced directly from trusted European distributors. Each one is fully quality checked and comes with a 12-month warranty. No rejects, no B-grade stock, just top-quality parts you can count on. And once a brand new screen is fitted, just take a look. Sharp, responsive, and working like new again. Plus, when you order one of our genuine parts, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed step-by-step tutorial video, filmed to trade standards to help you get the job done right. And if you get stuck, our dedicated parts support chat is ready to help you out. We've been doing this since 1986, and we're proud to support customers around the world with 2 UK locations and award-winning service that's always here when you need it. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Cluster Repairs UK, happy repairing!